Okay, so what I like to do when it comes to figure drawing is I like to imagine my characters, my references. I like to imagine my references as stick figures. This helps me put things in the right place. So if you look at this reference right here, I'm just gonna imagine the head is somewhat right there, right? Neck somewhere right there. So goes with the chest somewhere right here, and then you have the rest of the stomach part, whatever that's called. And then you have the other this other line going to the to the shoulder, this other line going to the other shoulder. That's where the so this other line is for the right hand right there, and then the right hand kind of like goes somewhere here, and then the left hand also right there. See what I just did? It's drawing of the person, and then the leg here, this other leg here. Once I have this information, I could just go in with the marker, but I like to break this down. But it's important for especially like a lot of beginners out there. So like we said, the neck is somewhere right here. We just roughly just go in like that. The face right there. Everything will kind of make sense as we go, but yeah, that's the shoulder. So it's kind of like what I just drew was like a skeleton type of thing. Yeah. And then you have the hand. Make sure to go as fast as possible because that creates a more dynamic thing. Rather than if you're going slow like this, it would just create anxiety and pressure on yourself. So just go as fast as possible, so that even if you make a mistake, you can just forget about it, I guess. And then right there we have the chest. Connects that. And the more you practice with these, the more you get better. But see how everything is just shaping up right there because of that skeleton. And then right there you have that, and right about here you have the hands. Obviously, I don't like to go detail when I'm doing figure drawing. I don't like to go full detailed with like hands and stuff. Like I said, go as fast as possible. And especially figure drawing, gestures and whatnot, it's important not to pay attention to details that much, like the face, the hands. Especially if you're doing gesture drawing, what really matters is just the gesture. If the person is posing, the pose matters. So now that I have this and I'm satisfied with it, I am gonna grab my marker right here, and I'm gonna go in top to bottom just like that. So we start with the head, boom. Like I said, fast as possible. Doesn't matter about detail and everything. This is not realistic drawing, okay? Detail does not matter that much. Color that in. Boom. Around the neck. Bring that down. Connects to that. Yep. Then right there you have the specific features. Like I said, not too much with hands, by the way. If anything, just try to ignore them. They just they just take up too much time, I guess. Color in that. Right. With the hand, I just go with like shapes or like triangles and whatnot, because it's not about the hands though. This is figure drawing. It's not realistic drawing. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you have your sketch. I did this in like less than what, 3 minutes or whatever. In like 3 minutes or 5 minutes, I don't know. It's not more than 5 minutes though. Yeah, I'm gonna do more sketches, but this time I think I'm just gonna go in with like the marker and whatnot. But this is pretty good, and I hope you guys can use this technique. There are other techniques as well you can research on YouTube. If you guys want me to do more videos where I do other techniques as well, comment down below what you want to see more, and I guess I'm gonna do more of these throughout this video to show you different, different styles, I guess. I don't know. So let me do more, and yeah.